Hello and welcome friends of Standard Time. Today we are going to start a new lesson of our course book, isn't it? The name of the lesson is On Wings of Courage. Interesting lesson which gives us information about Sri Arjan Singh. Arjan Singh, he was the first person one who became the Air Force Marshal, isn't it? That is known as the highest rank, that is known as the highest post of Indian Air Force. Yes, what activities he had done, how he served his life, what devotion he had given, and how he got the rank which is known as the highest rank of Air Force Department. Here we are going to discuss in this lesson on Wings of Courage. Therefore, without any delay, first paragraph from page number 15. Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young IAF during 1965 Indo-Pak War. Alright, many people are there. Many people had sacrificed their life. Alright, many people still serving their lives for the nation in defense sector. One more name here in front of us, Marshal Arjan Singh or Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh. Now, why he is known as the much important, why he became an icon for India's military history, why? Because he had led successfully a flight of aircraft against Pakistan in the war of 1965. Yes, and therefore he is known as the most important person. Without his name, Indian military history that will remain incomplete, and therefore it has the importance. Next is the only officer to attain the highest post of Marshal. The Air Force equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal, Singh was a fearless, exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. Isn't it? Now this is known as the highest post of the Indian defense the person has received, and the person has gained. Isn't it? Why he has known as the most important person? Because he had flown 60 different types of aircraft throughout his life, just in his career. Next thing is that Air Force Marshal, it is known as the post for Marshal, it is known as a as equal post to the post of Indian Army and Indian Navy too. And therefore the person, he was known as a fearless person, he is known as an exceptional person, a unique character, we can say in simple language, a hero of Air Force Department of India. And because of that, yes, the person became the most important, or he has got most important rank in Indian Air Force Department. Yes, Singh was a fearless and exceptional. He was brave, he was a fearless character and person, and he was exceptional, unique, and it's a quite different than other many brave people are there, but among them he is so much exceptional. He had or he has unique quality, and because of that he is known as an exceptional pilot. He played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent air forces globally and fourth biggest in the world. No, not about only for his personal career, isn't it? What devotion he had given, what he has given for Indian Air Force. Now we know that after 1947, everything was totally new for us. We were using our luck in each and every department. We were struggling to improve the science. We were struggling to improve the education. Same as it is, Indian people and Indian defense, they were struggling and they were improving the condition of Indian Air Force. Alright, and the today's present condition, developed situation of Indian Air Force, it become possible because of a name whose name is Arjan Singh. Alright, not only for his personal career, but he has transformed, he has changed the face of Indian Air Force, and right present Indian Air Force, it has got the fourth, or it is counted as the fourth biggest air force of the world. His contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental to the list. The IAF grew with him. He was the epitome of military leadership in classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Former Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Kak said. Again, from that half paragraph, see, his contribution to the Indian Air Force is a monumental to the list, isn't it? Whatever contribution or whatever service he had given for the Indian Air Force, it is totally countless. It is so much important. मीन्स बरेचसे लोक स्वतःसाठी जगतात किंवा बरेचसे लोक पर्सनली स्वतःचं करिअर डेव्हलप करतात, परंतु स्वतःचं करिअर डेव्हलप करताना येस आपला ज्या करिअरमध्ये आपण स्वतःचं लाईफ घडवण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो तो एक डिपार्टमेंट डेव्हलप करण्याचे प्रयत्न देखील फार थोडे लोक करतात. अँड देअरफॉर ही इज वन पर्सन one who had decided his own career as well as he had changed the face of Indian Air Force Department, and therefore that is a monumental work that he had shown. The IAF grew with him. He was the epitome of military leadership in a classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Alright, he was the person who is known as the best example of Indian Air Force. Now, epitome in simple language, the best example. Alright, means so many ideas, so many creation, alright, so many invention, so many changes he had brought, and he had given a new look to the Indian Air Force, and therefore not only the exceptional, surprising, but a epitome and important person he is counted in the Indian military leadership as well as the history. And cause of that, what Mr. Kapil Kirk, one who was the former Vice Chief of Indian Air Force, what he said that yes, and therefore it is not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. मग एवढ्या सगळ्या गोष्टी किंवा इतक्या सगळ्या गोष्टी केल्यानंतर येस दिस इज नॉट सरप्रायझिंग. ही गोष्ट आश्चर्यकारक होऊ शकत नाही की ज्या माणसाने सर्व्हिस केली आहे त्या माणसाला येस इंडियन एअरफोर्सची हायेस्ट रँक मिळेल ही गोष्ट सरप्रायझिंग नाही. ही मीन्स द पर्सन डिझर्व फॉर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर रँक अँड ही हॅज गॉट द रँक फॉर दॅट वर्क. Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. Now, the incident or the highest and most important incident of his life, it came in the year 2002. Yes, on 26th January, on that Republic Day of India in the year 2002, Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal. Sam Hormuzji, Franji, Jamshedji, Manekshaw and K.M. Kariappa were only the two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. And before 2002, isn't it? If we check the history or if we check the total system of Air Force, two names are here. First is Manekshaw and second is K.M. Kariappa. These two people or these two officers, not people, officers, they actually got the rank and they had got the highest rank, that is the army generals, or they had got the rank of Field Marshal, yes, in their lifetime. Means he was the only person who had achieved the most important success. Known as a man of few words, Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had a profound knowledge about the air power and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. Isn't it? Means more and more information and more qualities of the character, it comes in front of us. He was a fearless, he was exceptional. Most important thing is that he is known as a versatile character, isn't it? An all-rounder character, one who knows about Indian force, one who knows about the Indian Air Force, one who knows about the Indian defense, as well as one who knows and profound knowledge about the air power, and whatever knowledge about the air power he had applied, yes, for the development of Indian Air Force. Yes, about air power and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. Singh had assiduously led the IAF during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kirk. Now, this is known as the part of international history. It is so much, means the common thing and the common knowledge. Somewhere Pakistan is always supported by America, sometime by China, isn't it? And we people always remain alone without any support. Alright, Indians are known as the people, those who never get support. Yes, especially directly from America or from the superpower like countries. But Pakistan is known as a country one who was always supported time to time by the superpower like America and sometimes by China. But when in the war of 1965, the Pakistani Air Force, they were totally equipped. They were supported with the high missiles and the rockets as well as the aircraft. Yes, in front of that force, the person and the Indian Air Force, they had shown the Indian power of Indian defense. Means he was really a deserving person for the rank of Air Force Marshal, and he has received that rank in the year 2002. Alright, means the lesson is not so much easy, it is also too much complicated. Yes, I am not going to make it more complicated for the people, therefore up here, and today we are going to stop here by reading and explaining the 4 paragraphs of our lesson on Wings of Courage. Tomorrow once again we will continue with the same lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.